Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to add your website to the Google Search Console. So it is very important because if you want your website to show up in a Google search result, you must verify it with a Google. So without wasting your time, let's go to the process. So the first step is, first go to the Google Search Console. If you don't know where to find it, just type Google Search Console in Google and click the first result, or go directly to the search console. So this is the interface. Now you can just click start now and sign it with your Google account if you are not connected. So try to use the same account you use for your website. Select your prefix. Don't use the domain option as it requires DNS verification. Now you can enter your website URL. Make sure it is a full URL including HTTPS. Now click continue. Now Google will show you multiple ways to verify your website. We are going to use the HTML tag method, which is super simple. So click on the HTML tag option and copy the meta tag code. So now we can move to the step 2 to add this HTML tag in our Yoast SEO plugin. So I have used the Yoast SEO plugin for the SEO on my website. If you use any other plugin, you can add this code on their settings as well. And you will see the Yoast SEO on the left side of the menu. Go to the settings and scroll down to the site connections. Now you can see there's a lot of options, but we have to paste this code on the Google. So paste this HTML tag code on the Google and click save changings. So that's it. We have now added the verification code to our website. Now let's go back to the Google Search Console and verify it. So the third step is to verify your website in a Google Search Console. You can go back to the Google Search Console and click verify. If you see ownership verified congratulations message like this, your website is connected to the Google. And if it does not verify immediately, don't worry, sometimes Google take a few minutes to process it. Just wait and try again later. Now your website is connected to the Google Search Console, but there is more steps you should do. Like you have to submit your site maps or monitor your website performance, but I will be covering all these topics in my upcoming videos. So make sure to subscribe my channel. If this video helped you, drop a like button, and if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I reply to everyone. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.